Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate FaceTime on your iPads, especially if you're living in a country where it is not supported, or any other GCC country where the carrier has blocked the FaceTime. If you find that your iPad does not have a FaceTime icon, it will just take a small trick to activate the FaceTime. Now, I cannot assure you, but you can try it on your iPhones also. This method might work on your iPhone, but I'm not assuring you because I have earlier made a video on the same topic. You can click over here to see the link, how to enable FaceTime on your iPhones and iPads. But I just want to say that if you have an iPhone or if you have an iPad, FaceTime can be enabled regardless of which country you live in because it's a free application by Apple. So there are certain changes you can do in your root folder to do so. If you have an iPad, you don't need to even jailbreak your iPad. Without jailbreaking, doing certain changes in your setting, you can enable FaceTime. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Welcome back to my video. Let me show you in my settings. When you go to General, when you go to iPad Storage, so this is an iOS device. Regardless of FaceTime has been blocked on my iPad, but you can see in the storage that there is a FaceTime application which is given by Apple. Now for some reason this has been blocked in this region where I'm living, but there's a very simple way to enable that. But I'm just showing you the application is present over here. But if I go to the other setting, I cannot see the FaceTime icon here. I can see the iMessage, but I don't see the FaceTime icon. And usually when you search for any application, it shows the icon. So for example, if I search for FaceTime, it does not show any FaceTime icon. If I search for YouTube, it will give me the YouTube application icon, but for the FaceTime, it does not give. So you cannot find anywhere the FaceTime icon. Now I have installed Cydia because this is a jailbroken iPhone, but this video has nothing to do with jailbreaking. Anyone who has any iPad which does not have a FaceTime icon can do this. So all you need to do is go in the settings, go to General, go to Language and Region. Now, as you can see, I'm in the UAE region. Now click over here. So because the FaceTime application, which comes with an iPhone or iPad, has been disabled over here, all I need to do is change my region. I can change it to Egypt. Let's do Egypt. Now just a small tip over here that suppose if this one region will not work, you can try to choose another region. Now good thing with the similar regions like Egypt, Bahrain, they doesn't have much difference in the time. If you want a FaceTime application on your iPad, this is the only way you can do that. And the second option is the jailbreaking, which will void your warranty. So let's change the region to Egypt. But you can also try Bahrain if this doesn't work, or maybe Kuwait or Oman. You can try a different region, which is again similar geographical location, not the same, but similar, nearby. Click on Done. So it will ask you, would you like to change the region to Egypt? Continue. Now this will just reboot your device and change the settings for the region, and hopefully we will see the FaceTime icon now. So like magic, you can say, or within a second, you can see over here, below iMessage, we did not have the FaceTime icon, but now you can see it. Now let's see whether the FaceTime icon is enabled. So now you can see the FaceTime icon when you click over here. You can just type in your email and Apple ID and start using your FaceTime. And also when you search for FaceTime, you will see the FaceTime icon as an application. Now, as I said earlier that this method will work with all the iPads which does not have FaceTime enabled. You can easily enable it, and also some iPods. You can definitely try it with your iPhones, but I'm not sure whether it will work with all the iPhones. It might work it might not work. So just wait for my next video, which will be on the same topic, but that will be for all the iOS device, and that will need a root permission. So there are certain changes you need to do in your root folder to activate FaceTime. If you are not able to do it with this method, you can definitely follow the second method. But you will have to wait for a certain time, because at the moment I'm not using an iPhone. I need a jailbroken iPhone to do certain changes in the root folder. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.